Welcome to DailyDoseOfDallas. I am having squishies.
More squishies.
Yeah. Squishies.
And who's your friend?
Autumn, because you can tell by his things.
Leaves on his.
Oh.
Hi, Autumn. And where's the squishies from, huh?
Wish lipstick forever.
So you order them from Wish?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see those squishies.
Okay. Well, take them out. Take them out.
It says I love squishies. They smell the same as those cookies over here.
Where did we get these from?
From Walmart. They smell the
No,
same.
not Walmart. Walgreens.
Walgreens.
So this was $5 and some change. We got this one too.
Yeah, and this one smells the same as those.
When they smell the same.
Yeah, and look at
And this is her
one.
favorite one because of the way it feels. It's so
These are buddies. They're so cute.
so cute. Okay,
Yeah.
take them out of bed. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
So I can get it out as fast as I can. Oh, and they're little keychains.
Oh, okay.
Bam.
Okay. Now let's check it out. It looks like a slipper.
I'm gonna open up the panda one. It's so good.
That one looks like a marshmallow puff.
Marshmallow panda, you mean?
So soft.
They're the squishiest squishies ever.
Look at its face.
And look at the back of it.
And then it's flat.
It looks like it's ribbed.
No, it looks like it's edible, but it's not. How cute.
These two are besties.
Cute.
They have the same face. Now let's open up the donut, which has no face. Congratulations, you're not that cute. You're not that cute.
You're just delicious looking.
Yeah. Yeah, and I don't know what happened to this one that I'm opening right now. What in the world?
Oh, it has a funny face.
Look at the back of it. It's pretty.
Oh, it's blue. It's like a bluish color.
Yeah, and this one on the bottom is like the same thing.
And it's squishy.
Here it is.
They're all pretty much the same texture, right?
It's like a little polar bear.
So what is that, like a piece of bread?
Yeah, but it's a polar bear. And congratulations, you're delicious because you have no face.
Whoops. I dropped it.
You killed her?
Let me fix the camera. What is that?
It's
It looks like a dumpling.
Yeah, it looks like it's sticky. No, I'm serious. What?
Let me see.
But so squishy at the same time.
Yeah, it is a little stickier than the other ones.
This one too.
It's extremely squishy
Yeah.
and slow rising.
This looks like a Pop-Tart. A blushing Pop-Tart.
A blushing. Look at its face. Can you see the face?
At the
Blushing.
store, when we got these squishies right there,
These guys.
we saw one bread that looked like this but dead.
Oh yeah, it had X's for eyes.
Yeah.
Like this one's nose nose. It had for eyes.
And look, like,
It has like the matte face.
this one is the most. This was the last one, the last favorite. This, like seriously.
Because it looks like it's a little scary. It has that little mouth there. Like it's got. I can't get it right.
Now we got
another bag. So let me let you see what we got here. We got the donut, the panda, the weird mouth one, macaroon, the slipper, the bear face, the piece of bread, Pop-Tart looking cracker one, piece of bread. Bread. Whatever this pastry is with.
I think it's hot cross buns.
Hot cross buns. And then the dumpling. So this was basically about $5 or $6 on Wish. Basically the same price as one of these.
Now let's open this bag. No.
So you just get random whatever they give you. So there's more keychain thingies.
Yeah.
So this is the like little keychain.
There's so many. This one is adorable. It's like the same thing, but even cuter.
It has the sparkly eye one.
Yeah, it's so cute. How do I get this?
Fold the bag backwards. Let's see. And very squishy. Oh, it looks like it's been a little cooked on the other side.
Look what I got. Princess.
Oh, princess cracker.
Oh, and here's a
this one's a little
laughing, crying.
Sticky too.
Here's a laughing, crying.
Oh, emoji!
I love emojis.
Okay.
I love emojis.
What happened? It fell apart? Yeah, be careful.
It was only on this, so it's fine. I did it on purpose.
What is that? Piece of bread?
It's bread. It's bread.
Baguette. Nice. They're small but really nice. Squishy.
Why is this one in the big
Very
bag?
satisfying.
This one is the big bag.
Maybe they wanted to take extra care. Or they ran out of small bags. And they didn't want you to rip it. The ice cream pop? Little top heavy?
I can't even hold it up.
No face.
But it's so cute.
Squishy. She likes it because it's pink, probably.
No.
And you can feel this little thing that's inside that holds the key.
One of my favorite emojis. Well, not my favorite emoji, but close. Only if this was the eye. Only if the heart was the eye.
Cute.
Oh,
So you got emoji faces here.
no.
Somebody took a bite.
Yeah.
Oh, the baby. The baby. I guess somebody was like, oh, look, and the little jelly inside.
He has a sister. No, this one I can tell is the baby, the real baby.
Oh, that, yeah. I mean, that's the spinning image. Maybe the other one looks like the dad. Or this is the dad, and this is the little baby.
We almost got a duplicate.
Oh, yes. The mouth is different. And the colors.
Yeah. This looks like... Oh, so instead of this one...
Instead of the dumpling looking one. Oh, we got another type of dumpling. And still like sticky squishy. Yeah, it's funny. You hear that?
They're so cute.
Sticky squishy.
Sticky squishy. Now it's time to put them on the keychains.
Let's look at the other ones.
It's time to put them on the keychains. What is this?
And that was another
What
like
is this thing?
$5.
What How do I put them on the keychain?
Basically, everything cost 11. I think
How do I?
11 and possibly some change. I don't remember. Daddy paid for it.
How much? How do you put?
Okay. Let me help Dallas. So give me the two things, two objects. Let me get them.
Objects.
Oops, my finger.
Two objects. Hi. Why are you laughing? Your face.
You get this little thing, and then the hook goes right.
These smell better.
Ouch, like digging in my. Okay. Ooh, that one does smell good. Right, you gotta open that, and then stick this thing in there, and then voila, you got it.
Oh, it's cute. Hi, I'm so cute.
And then if you want to loop something, like have it like this type of thing, well, it would have to be smaller than my finger. If you want it looped, something like this, say on a zipper or something, then you have to take this off, loop it, and then connect it.
Yeah, I have no idea what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Cute.
Now I'm gonna do
So
the
you
same
want me
thing.
to?
I'm gonna do the
So this is Dallas's collection of squishies. She got the 3 big ones, or bigger ones, not gigantic, and then the miniature ones. You happy, Dallas?
Yeah.
Do you have a question for your viewers?
Do you like squishies?
Do you like squishies? Do you collect them like Dallas?
Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Wait. Thumbs up. And subscribe.